Okay, this is a video that goes over the types of chemical reactions that you will see in chemistry, and it is important to know what's what and how to identify them. So first one is combustion reactions, and those always involve a hydrocarbon as a reactant plus oxygen gas as another reactant, and the products will always be liquid water and carbon dioxide gas. Now keep in mind these are unbalanced equations, so in another video we're going to go over how to balance chemical reactions, but for now we're just going over how to identify them and what's what. So combustion reactions, products are always liquid water and carbon dioxide gas, and the reactants are some type of hydrocarbon plus oxygen. So we're going to use C's, H's, and O's. It's going to be a combustion reaction. Now, number two is decomposition, and that's always some compound breaking into two or more substances, such as XY makes X plus Y. Now, the most common example of this is salt, table salt. And if you dissolve it in water, if you put some salt in water, you're going to get some sodium ions plus chlorine ions in the water. So that's decomposition. It kind of just decomposes into whatever it's made out of. Now, number three is synthesis reactions, and that's the opposite of decompose. So you have some elements, you put them together, and you get a compound. So x plus y makes xy. And the most common example of this is the formation of water. A hydrogen gas plus an oxygen gas makes the water as we know it. So remember that synthesis is two or more things coming together and making one. Now, number four. Number four is double replacement. And that includes two compounds being together, and one of them replaces the other one. So if you have x plus y, x and y plus a plus b, you get xb plus ay. Now remember, x and the a are the cations, and b and the y are the anions. So remember the cations kind of switch places. So you get xb plus ay. Now, last but not least, we have single replacement. And that's similar to double replacement, except, well, you have this, right? Which the a replaces the x, and it makes ay plus x. So remember, the cation replaces the cation. Now the most common, well, it's not most common, but an example of this is if you put some zinc and you mix it with hydrochloric acid, the zinc is going to replace the H. Remember, cations replace cations. And you're going to get zinc salt, zinc chloride, plus some hydrogen gas. So that's single replacement, and that's the type of reactions that you need to know for chem.